Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Nighthawk M7 Pro 5G Wi-Fi 7 mobile hotspot router step by step. So whether you are using it for travel, gaming, remote work or high-speed mobile internet, this guide is going to help you to get your hotspot connected and running properly. So first of all, you need to power off the Nighthawk M7 Pro completely. Afterwards, what you need to do is you need to simply open the SIM tray. So the SIM tray socket is available over here. So when you open the SIM tray, you just have to simply insert a 5G nano SIM card correctly and make sure that the SIM is also activated with your carrier before the setup. Once inserted, you just have to close the tray securely and power the hotspot back on. Now connect the hotspot to the charger using the USB-C cable. Then simply press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the screen lights up. The device may take a few minutes to fully boot and detect the mobile network signal. So once the hotspot is ready, the screen will display the default Wi-Fi network name and the password. So on your phone or on your laptop, you just have to simply go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect it using the password shown on the hotspot screen. Now the Nighthawk M7 Pro supports Wi-Fi 7, which can provide faster speeds, lower latency and better performance for multiple connected devices. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.